Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston. The building on the left is 23 LMR and the building on the right is Trafalgar 1. It's actually two separate developments. So this one we're looking at now is 23 LMR and it's located in the heart of New Kingston. There's so much development going on in Jamaica that we actually have two developments side by side. They're both commercial buildings, and 23 LMR looks like it's finished, but the one on the right, Trafalgar 1, is still under construction. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this building, 23 LMR, and it's actually located at the corner of Lady Musgrave Road and Trafalgar Road. Okay, 23 LMR is a combination of prime location, efficiency, and prestige. This modern four-story structure will be built to world-class standards of design, engineering, and functionality. Thoughtfully designed, quality interior finishes in all common areas conveying prestige and quality. A sense of community is created with convenient access to service, dining options, and premium lifestyles amenities, all aiming to strike the perfect work balance in a contemporary urban environment of 13,500 square feet, built with flexibility to create your own dream office. Okay, so that is how it is listed on the real estate listing. So this is a commercial building. It's going to be 4 floors and it's going to be finished sometime next year. And this is one of many developments on Lady Musgrave Road. Well, not many, but you have the one right beside it, although it's listed as Trafalgar Road. And you have the AC Hotel, which is finished on Lady Musgrave Road. And then across from the AC Hotel, they're going to be building another development. And then at 80 LMR you have a very nice building. It's actually finished. I saw a sign on the building, Proven. I'm not sure if they've renamed the building Proven or they just have an office space there, but the sign is at the top of the building. We'll do a follow-up video over the weekend to find out what's going on with that. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the video as we show you more angles of this site, and then we're going to drive down Lady Musgrave Road towards Oxford Road. Oh, and there's also another development going on called Bonnie Chance. However, that one is off Lady Musgrave Road. It's a 10-story residential development. We'll give you videos, we'll give you update videos on all these projects.